friends. So we're back again for our detective series. Remember, it's Inferencing Detectives. So we're going to first see our setting. So this is our setting. What is that? Where are we? What do people do here? If you need help, you can ask, okay? Our next clue to see what we're doing, those are our tools. Our first tool is this. What is that? If you don't know how to spell it, you can draw it, okay? And we'll also write these clues on the board. Our second clue is this. What is that? What do you do with that? Again, we'll write it on the board for you, okay? And our last clue is this. Does anyone know what that is? You can write it down or you can draw it if you need help. All right, guys. Now we need to know what we're doing. What's our activity for the day? So use your setting. Remember to use your schema. That's the things you already know that you have filed away in your brain. And look at our clues and write down what we're going to do today. Bye, guys.